Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series. Really excited. Today, we decided to go live and engage with you guys. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. And the best thing you can do for us is to make sure you click on the share button right now. I'm excited. Type in where you're joining from. Sure you guys can hear me. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Fantastic. How's your week been? How's your day been? How's your week been? How's your day been? Tell me, how has your week been and how has your day been? If you guys can hear me, let me be sure you guys can hear me. Type in on the comment box below. Wow. I'm really excited, guys. Okay. Chukwuem, thank you so much. Chukwuem said, can hear me loud and clear. Fantastic. 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 So let's get to work today. It's amazing what we have tonight. So we're just going to check. So we'll get to analyze the chart and we'll talk about what we're expecting in the market. Then we'll take your questions and we are good to go. Franklin on. My week has been good. Fantastic. Okay, Blessed said, my problem, sir, is how to learn and master Forex trading. Okay, good. So let's do it one by one. Okay, let's start with Blessed. Blessed, where are you joining from? Blessed Akachuku. Okay, Blessed Akachuku says, my problem is how to learn and master Forex trading. Okay, number one, Blessed, you need to know, you need to identify a strategy. Okay, you need to identify a strategy because the strategy is what you will now implement that you can make money with. Because a lot of time, when people don't have this, when people don't have a good strategy, and it can be any strategy, okay? It can be any strategy. So when you have the strategy, then you need to practice the strategy. You need to spend some quality time on the strategy. You can you can learn it on YouTube. You can identify a mentor who has a strategy, pay for the course, spend some quality time on the course, implement what you have learned, give yourself 3 months to 6 months, then you're good to go. Because mastery only comes from practicing. So you learn the strategy, you master the strategy by practicing. Then when you're practicing, don't don't risk too much of your money. Don't risk too much of your money when you're practicing. Okay? But I see people fund with $5,000 when you know you are still practicing, $2,000 when you're still practicing, $1,000 when you're still practicing. No, you need to put in like maybe $200 when you're practicing, and don't risk more than 0.5% of your account per trade, because you are still practicing. Very, very important. If you skip the process, you will pay your dues. So if you don't want to pay the dues, then you want to calm down. Give yourself like 3 months to 6 months. Once you perfect it, you can over leverage. You can over leverage. You're good because you know it. It's like somebody who is driving. The first time he learned how to drive, he won't go more than 20. He won't pass more than 20 on the board. As it grows to 150, as it grows, you'll be trying 40, 60. Okay, and you get better at it. So you need to identify a strategy. Once you identify the strategy, you are good. Okay, I need to post on our platforms that we are live. Uh, Let me post on our platforms that we are live. So I really recommend that you take time to do that. You take your time to do that. Any other question? Let's get to the chat. So you identify a strategy, implement the strategy, take your time to perfect it, and you're good to go. I also recommend you join a community where they are trading the way you want to trade. Okay? I strongly recommend that. Okay, guys. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we are expecting Bitcoin to come up. Okay? To come up. Personally, I'm expecting it to come to 55, 56, 57 before we can see the drop. But right now, we are having a rejection. If you go to daily, you see the rejection around, you see the rejection around 47, 48. But that, for us, that's not a major rejection. Before we see a rejection, because it's coming from the monthly level. Okay. Before we can see that the next rejection, it has to be around 57 before we can see a heavy rejection. So right now, this will be it will be a short retracement. Okay, it will be a short retracement. This is the first impulse. Okay, this is the continuation. So we're expecting another correction here, at least to this 41, at least to this 41, or down to 30, 39. Okay, between 40 and 30, 39. So expect that retracement if it's going to come there, or it just turns from this place and start going up back. Okay, so we're still holding our positions from 35, 32, where we called it in the community. So I strongly feel that uh, it's going to get to this. So, however, it will definitely give you some retracement. If you have been attending my training, I always tell you, okay, to always give you this move, do some retracement, then go up. It won't go up straight. It won't go up straight. Okay? It won't go up straight. And if you look left, we have a break of structure here. If you look left, we have a change of trend there. Okay, so we have a change of trend here. We have a change of break of structure. So there could be a retracement down, maybe by 60%, by 61%, or by 72, 78%. Then we expect that move. And after that move, we have we have a change of trend here. And this change of trend means that we will be looking for a good retracement around 64. But like I said, from 56, from 57 to this zone, you want to take some profit, bank it. Okay. So this is just a short retracement. It can't be the major one. Okay. So we need to see that move happen. So our goal is to wait, enjoy that move, find a way to join the trend from where it is right now. Then we are good to go. Okay. So that'll be for Bitcoin. Do you guys have any analysis you want me to check? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, OGN. I'm expecting OGN at 44 cents, except it breaks that zone. Okay, and if it breaks 44, we'll be expecting it at 30 cents. At 30 cents, we're going to be taking this buy, and we can hold this trade till $3. That's a lot, guys. That is a lot right there. That is a lot right there. So I'll prefer my entry to be around 44 cents. Then we can push up and we're good to go. We're good to go. Okay, guys, as you join, tell me where you're joining from. Join me where you're joining from. Franklin on. You have any question? Chukuyem, you have any question? Blessed. Hope I've answered your question. Fantastic. Fantastic. Any other question, guys? Tell me. Tell me. Any other question? Tell me, guys. I'm here. I'm here. Should we go to Forex? What are the moves you're expecting? Tell me. What asset? What asset are you loving right now? Because it's paying you well. Tell me the asset. Oh, Blessed said is in Makodi. Good to have you. Fantastic. So check one more. Let's go to Forex. And we will be good. If there's no question, good, good, good. Let me switch to Forex. Okay, so we gave this analysis on the disc on the Telegram group for you guys to go in on this buy, as we're still expecting some momentum here. Now I don't see this level hold. I don't see this level hold. So there is a bounce off on that zone. And we also have a flip zone here. Okay, so on that flip zone, this other block I gave out this entry. I gave you guys this entry on the Discord, on the Telegram group. So it's already up by 100 pips. Let's see what what more it can still give us. Okay. So if you're not on the Telegram group, make sure you check the description. The link is always there for you guys to connect with it, so that you can be in that group and enjoy good education. Good education. I'm expecting a pullback on NU, at least a pullback to this zone, the same way it pulled back when it went up to this zone. Hmm? So we're expecting a pullback at least to this zone. And it has given us that 4-hour retracement. Okay. So this will be your retracement. There's also a rejection already here. So it depends on what the market wants to do here. So for you to enter here now, you have to wait for confirmation, because we have higher low there, higher high there. And you have another higher low here. You have the main higher high, and you have a liquidity here. So that's an approval for you on this buy. Okay. So we need that approval, or else it's going to drop into this demand. So what will now make us check into this place? We have to go to 30 minutes. And on 30 minutes, you need to see, or 15 minutes, because it's 4 hours. You need to see a good change of trend there. So this will be your entry for a 7 pip stop loss, which is not bad. This is 4, so that will be 6 pip stop loss. Okay. So to go into this trade right now, you have to take this trade. We can even do 50% of this sell to buy candle. If you have watched my entry strategy, you can do 50% of this guy, so that you can reduce this a bit. Let's check our round number: 68, 8, 85, 83. So that will be 85. Okay. So that will be it. So that we can. So I still prefer 60. I prefer 60 here. Okay. So the entry of this trade is going to be approved by the session. Going to be approved by the session. We already have the break of this level. So by Sydney session, by Sydney Asia session, we should be going in on this buy. Okay. Anything outside Sydney will not take this trade. Okay, will not take this trade. So with this, we can still push up at least to this zone. So we'll do TP1 here. Then we'll do TP2 here. Okay, guys, this is not a financial advice. So, okay, please make sure you do your own due diligence, follow your conditions of trading and risk, because Forex trading is risky, cryptocurrency is risky. You have to use what you are willing to lose. Okay, so that's the only time you can see that it also looks like the same trade I gave you on Telegram. The same trade I gave you on Telegram. It looks the same way. So we're actually doing the same thing in the community. We do the same thing. We must see A, B, C, then we do D. So we don't do anything outside it. So if you really want to get it done, you have to make sure you're taking your time to maximize it. Okay. So by the time you want to enter this trade, you go to your calculator and you use your risk. Okay. NZD, USD. So NZD, USD, let's say you have $500 and your stop loss is 6 pips. Your risk should not be more than, sorry, your risk should not be more than 1%. If you don't know what you are doing, you use 0.5%. Then your stop loss will be 6 pips. So what it means is that no matter what is wrong with this trade, even if it goes against you, you will only lose 5%. Sorry, $5, which is not a bad transaction. So you only need 3 out of 10 to be right when you know what you're doing. 3 out of 10 with good risk reward, you'll be fine. I'm going to be dropping this even in the on the Telegram group. Okay. I'll be dropping that on the Telegram group. I'll be dropping it on the Telegram group. USD JPY Cairo is still going up heavily. Okay. So I feel if that is happening, then GA can also give us some sweet movement this midnight. But until that is done, we're not sure. Wow, look at it. Even during during yesterday's morning, after this reversal. Wow. So it went up that way. So let's watch and see what NZD USD will be delivering. And we can use that to take our decision. Can use that to take our decision. Okay. So, guys, in the absence of no question, we've analyzed Bitcoin, we've analyzed NZD USD. Any other analysis you guys want me to work on? Yeah. This is proper futures trading, guys. Don't see anything on I don't see anything on Dodge right now. I feel Dodge should come lower. 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 Let's check what Dot is doing. So I think he's just willing to do this flip zone here for that continuation. I think that's what he's trying to do there. So Dot can actually take off from there and not come back again. Because he has started the main uptrend move, right? Eh, Okay. Okay, so that's fine. At least guys gain some value today. We've established what we're expecting. Congratulations for those on the Discord group. Already 100 pips on Euro JPY already. Let's see what others we give. Okay. That'll be all for tonight. I'm sure you guys gained some value. Please, if you have questions, feel free to drop it in the comment box. This video should not be longer than this, and I'll look forward to your questions. Then we'll take it up from there. Have an amazing, 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 amazing evening. Don't forget, if this is your first time, you want to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time, and make sure you share the opportunity so others can also be a blessing. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.